Alright, y'all, we at the mine shop with it. I'm dropping off these keys right now. We better get this bitch modded up by my boy Wheel and Deal, Mr. Low. You know what I'm saying? My boy always be getting me together, man. But as y'all can see, she looking good, man. But it's the last time she'll be looking like this, man. Got the regular spoiler on the back, but we finna get the Wickerbill added. And we removing that RT, and we throwing the distance badge right there, man. It's that simple. I had to drive in the booty mobile today, y'all. I'm just playing, y'all. She leaving me now, y'all.
Oh, he's still right there.
Y'all, look at this.
He's so tiny.
Don't you run from me. Don't you run now. Look at that, yo. Look at that, yo. Oh, what the? Bro came out the bottom. Damn, it just froze all around this motherfucker.
I said he went down that hole.
Where you go, Dwayne? Damn, my man still right here, though.
Dang, the other one just came out of nowhere.
Dang, he fell down the hole. He going in the hole, too, I think. Yeah, he finna go down there.
Oh, my gosh.
All right, y'all. Getting ready to go pick up my car. Rocking up the stove. Put my brake, put that we on brake on the door so nobody don't be tripping. And I also got the phone number. Call me. But yeah, man. About to go pick up my car. Let me make sure that you door locked. Alright. That's what I gotta drive in, y'all. I gotta ride in the track. Okay. Hi, Daddy. What's up, kid?
I hate downtown right now.
Too.
So many.
Daddy thought you was gonna chill with him today, but you left. Daddy went home.
Huh?
That's something about to guilt him, y'all.
That was okay.
I'm in my mode now. I'm in my mode now. Yeah, I'm in my mode. I'm in my mode now. Fucking with my hoes now. Beat the road down. Trapping them out. I'm in my mode.
When you shut your car on,
Yeah.
that motherfucker come straight on, bro. You gotta do nothing at all.
Y'all see the vibes, man. What's good, man? What's good? What's good, man? Appreciate you, my boy. Ooh, look at the back of that bitch. Ooh, shit. Y'all, come on now. Come on, dog. Ooh, man, that bitch looks so much more aggressive. Damn. Man, it do.
So look, I was thinking, remember how you had distance right here?
Mm-hmm.
I think you should put the jock right here.
Yeah.
'Cause you got distance down there already.
Yeah.
I was always want to put the jock right here.
Hell yeah.
Let me measure that.
The Scat back RT has been debadged, man. I removed that RT. I don't know why. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I hope nobody don't get offended, but I don't like the RT badge, man.
What did you say, nigga?
Alright, y'all. I'm finna move my car to the other side of the parking lot. And I'm gonna put this shit in my car. This invoice in my hoodie. Cause I for sure ain't wearing this bitch, y'all. It's hot as hell. So hopefully I don't heat up too much trying to make it over here real quick, y'all. Cause like I say, it's hot as hell, y'all. I'm talking about hot as hell. Oh. Tosh calling me. What up, though? Somebody had moved their car. I went flying out that motherfucking, got up in there too quick, y'all. And I got my car back in my motherfucking parking spot where it belonged, man. Yeah! It's that simple, man. And whoever you was in my parking spot. Now when you wake up, don't do that again, man. Don't do that again. That's my spot, nigga. But she out there looking good, y'all. In her rightful spot. So again, man, today was pretty smooth day, man. Pretty smooth day, no complaints at all, y'all. We got my car modded up. I'm fucking with it, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm fucking with it. growling too. That bitch growling, twins. Hopefully y'all can hear me with all this wind. But yeah, man. Try to roll those windows down so y'all can hear this motherfucker. Looking good. It's my boy from back in the day, man, my boy. Pushing that bitch though. Damn, y'all. My bad, y'all. I was in there cruising and listening a little too long there, you hear me? Almost made it home without y'all, man. My fault, man. Yo. Shit hit different driving with no music, y'all. I know y'all know how it is. But alright, man, I ain't on shit, y'all. If you like the video, make sure you like the video, man. Like and subscribe, man. Get us to 1,000 subscribers, man. We almost there, man. Turn us up, man. But yeah. Till next time, people. I'm out.